The first thing you need to know in Numpy is how to make an array. An array is considered as a matrix too. First of all, import Numpy library. Then use array function to make matrix or an array and put it into a variable. The argument of the array function is a list. Now you can print your array and see what it is. Also, it is common to import Numpy as NP. But if you don't like common ways, use whatever you want. If you're an idiot, I bring you another example of how to make a one-dimensional array. Just create a simple list and use it as the argument of array function. We can also create two-dimensional arrays or even more by using nested lists. Here's an example for a 2 by 3 matrix. Every single list inside our 2D list is a row, and each row has 3 numbers. So we just created an array with 2 rows and 3 columns. If you want to make an array or a matrix with multiple zeros, you can use zeros function. The numeric argument that it gets is number of columns. We have a similar function called ones. Here you can see what is the difference. Your argument can also be a tuple with 2 numbers. The first one is the number of rows and the second one is the number of columns. Here's a 2 by 3 array. Now let's see how we can know what a specific element in our array is. First, we make a one-dimensional array of numbers from 0 to 9. Here's how we can print the first member in the array. Indexing in arrays is just like indexing in lists. Index numbers start from 0 and they're increased one by one. Let's see a few examples. Indexing in 2D arrays is just like indexing in 2D lists too. Let's make a 2D array. The first element is a one-dimensional list, as you can see. But here's how we can take the number in the first row and the second column. On the other hand, number 2 is located in row 0 and column 1. We have also slicing, which is again similar to lists. You can show the array from one element to another using this syntax. In general, we have the first index, the end index, and also the step in our range. Here's some examples about different possibilities for you guys with low-level IQ.